So, coming soon. This radio, what I dragged halfway across the city today, having purchased from Facebook Marketplace. It's a Tesla. Looks like the tuning eye's dropped. It's got nice piano keys. They seem to work. That's on off. That switches to gramophone. Then you've got DV, SV, KV2, KV1. It's all AM. You've got bass and treble controls. Tuner still working. Case is in very good condition. Don't know if you can see me fiddling with the knobs there. There you go. Bass and treble. And downer's not working. I looked in the back. There's some tubes in there and a lot of dust. I'm guessing some dead things as well. So this will be my next thing to play with once I've finished with the Riga I'm playing with. And well, we will see. It's a learning curve.